To measure heart rate by using your Powerbeats Pro 2nd generation, first of all, you will have to start by opening settings, and you have to go into your Powerbeats Pro. For sure, you have to be connected currently with your iPhone. And now just be sure that you turn on heart rate sensor. Then all you have to do is just to input both earbuds inside your ears. And when you do this, there we go. Now you can just go into health application, go into summary, and you have to go into show all health data and go into heart rate. And here you can find all of updates. So as you can see, currently I've got 76 beat rate per minute, and now I've got 72. It just keep updating all the time. Every few seconds, like 5 or 10 seconds, you've got update of your current heart rate. And that's how it actually works. If you are wondering if it is actually working, I mean, it's measuring heart rate properly, then I'm gonna make comparison with my Apple Watch Series 10. So if you are interested, I can highly recommend you to subscribe and visit my channel.